ghostly rings of Neptune shine in the new James Webb telescope images. Eat your heart out, Saturn. These are the rings of Saturn, as we know. Well, it was a surprise to find out that Neptune has rings as well. We always had this image of Neptune, Pluto in the background. Well, we know that Neptune also has rings, and they're shining. When it comes to planetary rings, Saturn is the undisputed poster child, but now a new contender enters the ring, courtesy of stunning new image taken by James Webb Space Telescope, JWST. In the new picture released today, September 21st, by the European Space Agency, ESA, our solar system's eighth planet, Neptune, shimmers like a glorious crystal ball with a stack of gauzy rings wrapped magically around it. There's also what looks like moons in the rings, something in the rings. Now, astronomers have found for several decades that the ice giant, located about 30 times farther from the sun than our Earth, has 5 rings made chiefly of icy dust. The new images reveal those frigid rings in crisper detail than any survey has since the Voyager 2 probe passed within a few thousand miles of Neptune in 1989, according to the ESA. In addition to several bright, narrow rings, the Webb images clearly show Neptune's fainter dust bands, ESA researchers wrote in a statement. They said Webb's extremely stable and precise image quality permits these very faint rings to be detected so close to Neptune. Floating near the edge of our solar system, Neptune is a world of near permanent twilight, invisible to the naked eye, but in visible light, images taken by Voyager 2 and Hubble Space Telescope, Neptune appears a striking blue. That correlation comes from methane in the planet's cloudy atmosphere, which likely stretches down to the great depths within the planet before melding into a superhot ocean of melted ice, ammonia, and other compounds, according to NASA. The James Webb Space Telescope, which uses a special sensor to capture light at near-infrared wavelengths, those methane clouds shine eerily with reflected sunlight, giving the planet a more ghostly white appearance. Another striking feature with the new James Webb Space Telescope image are Neptune's moons. 7 of the planet's 14 known moons are on display in the image, including its largest, Triton, seen as the severely spiky point of light in the upper left corner. While it looks like a bright star, Triton is actually just an extremely reflective icy rock. Covered in a frozen sheet of condensed nitrogen, Triton reflects the average of 70% of the sunlight that hits it, according to ESA. It far outshines Neptune because the planet's atmosphere is darkened by methane absorption at Webb's wavelengths. The James Webb Space Telescope commenced operations July 12th and has already released an array of spellbinding images of the cosmos, focusing on objects both near to Earth and mind-bogglingly far away, and the telescope will continue observing both Neptune and Triton in the coming year, according to ESA. This is by Brandon Spector on Live Science. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.